So crazy how it's been raining for over 24 hours. This is Anaheim, California. Yes, it's been raining for more than 24 hours. It hasn't rained too crazy out here in Anaheim, but it's been non-stop, y'all. I need to check my mailbox, but I don't feel like walking in this rain. Wow. Praise God for another day. This is usually where it really floods at. All the water goes down the alleyway here. Goes over there. This usually turns into a river when it gets really crazy. No thunderstorms yet in Anaheim, but they say we may see some today. Today's Tuesday, the 6th or the 5th. I don't know, forget, but it's Tuesday. Wow. Praise God for another day, though. The Lord makes it rain on the just and the unjust.